Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tatiana. I'm a Dallas wedding and portrait photographer. So today I'm doing a quick little behind the scenes. This is my model Esther. So it's gonna be a portrait tutorial. I'm using my 85mm, a 1.4 lens, and I'm just doing honestly a quick behind the scenes to just show you what all this lens does and utilizes, posing directings by this cute little waterfall that we have back here. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yes. Oh, I'm gonna bring the aperture down to 1.4. Cute. Yep, looking at me. Give me more of a serious look, like you were giving me, looking at me. Perfect. A slight smile is okay because you look cute. Let's try that sideways shot again, but I want you kind of leaning in. Maybe bring both hands forward like that. Yes. And lean. Yes, 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 yes. See if you can straighten your body just a little bit and then go in. Yep. And touch your hand. Yes. Perfect. Oh, yes. These are so good. And you get to see that waterfall from behind. Stunning. Oh my gosh, these are gonna look so good. Maybe let's have you reposition, like turn your body toward me and almost sit at the edge, kind of like this, and then leaning back toward the rock, like that. Yes, that's cute. That's perfect. And then bring the skirt down just a little bit, like pull your skirt down. Yes, that's cute. Just like that with the hand down. Yes, beautiful. That's beautiful, yep. Looking off to the distance, yes. Just stand right there. I just want to try a different angle. Bring the hands up to your face again, just kind of pretty, angelic. Yep. Cute. Yes, looking off into the distance. Good. Looking at me again. Good. The aperture settings that I'm using are 1.4, just because I want more blur with these shots. And the lens that I'm using is my 85mm. That is my favorite portrait lens, you guys, 85mm, because it's cropped. You can get that bokeh, you can get that blur. We have this beautiful waterfall.